Most people think trading success comes from secret indicators, complex charts, or some magical strategy. But the truth is much simpler. The real difference between losing traders and winning traders is how they think. And this exact idea is explored in one of the most famous trading books ever written, Market Wizards by Jack D. Schwager. Instead of teaching theories, Schwager did something different. He interviewed some of the most successful traders in the world, people who turned small accounts into millions, people who survived crashes, and people who stayed profitable for decades. And when you listen to their stories, you realize something surprising. They are all different. Different strategies, different styles, different personalities. But they all follow a few powerful principles. The first lesson is simple, but difficult for most people. Great traders accept losses. They don't pretend to be right all the time. In fact, many of them are wrong quite often. But when they are wrong, they exit quickly. No ego, no revenge trading, just discipline. Because in trading, protecting your capital is more important than being right. The second lesson is something many beginners ignore. Risk management is everything. The best traders in the world don't bet everything on one idea. They know that markets are unpredictable. So before entering any trade, they ask a simple question: how much can I lose? Not how much they can make, how much they can lose. Because survival is the first rule of trading. If you survive long enough, opportunities will always come. The third lesson is about individuality. Every great trader has their own style. Some traders rely on technical analysis, some focus on fundamentals. Some trade short-term movements, others hold positions for months. But the key is consistency. They don't chase every new strategy they see online. They find what works for them and they stick with it. And maybe the most powerful lesson of all, psychology matters more than intelligence. You don't need to be a genius to succeed in trading. In fact, many brilliant people fail in the market. Why? Because knowledge is not the hardest part. The hardest part is controlling your emotions. Fear, greed, overconfidence. These emotions destroy more traders than bad strategies ever will. That's why the best traders spend more time mastering themselves than trying to master the market. And that's what makes Market Wizards such a timeless book. It doesn't promise easy money. Instead, it reveals the mindset of people who have already won the game. People who understand that trading is not just about charts, it's about patience, discipline, and emotional control. Because in the end, the market is not just a financial battlefield, it's a psychological one. And those who learn to control their mind are the ones who eventually become market wizards.